little walk over there. Walk up! Young people in my organization willing to give back to the community on a consistent basis, because when I was youngster, I wasn't doing that. My sister here, my little sister here, right here, Dominique, you know, she had to come visit me many times, juvenile hall, boys ranches. I was in and out. I never had a birthday. My whole teenage life as a free man, I've been shot 5 times, and I did 10 years in prison. I'm not bragging about that, but I'm letting you know how serious it is what we're doing today. You feel me? We having fun and all that. We make that fun. I brought Stunner Man out, who's very busy to support. You feel me? But like I said before, for you guys that was in the session the other day, you know, it's very important that we give back to our communities so they can know and they can understand. We see all the other stuff that be going on, how they try to portray us. You feel me? And how they justify doing whatever they want to us because of the things that they promote. Ain't no news here. Ain't no, you feel what I'm saying? They're not highlighting this. That's why it's up to us. That's why I said, everybody take a picture of these bags, because y'all did that. It might not be done to y'all. Some of y'all did more than others. Shout out to the ones that was working hard, that was committed. I promise you, your blessings is on the way. You're not even gonna know how it's coming, because I know for a fact, once I changed my life and started giving back, you feel me? My life went to the next level. I could talk about my accolades, about my key to the city, my People's Champ belt, my 7 different businesses that I got right now. You feel what I'm saying? After doing 10 years in prison and being a convicted felon for many different things, you know. But as we go out today, I need you guys to take it seriously. I know y'all young and having fun and lit and all of that good shit. You feel me? But it's people out here, you know what I'm saying, that don't have the blessings. I'm pretty sure everybody in here woke up with a roof over their head today. You know what I'm saying? Was able to go to the refrigerator or the cabinet or whatever may have you and get them a little something to tide them over. Everybody's not able like that. Everybody don't have those blessings. From young people on out. Like I said before, statistically, there's close to 10,000 homeless people in San Francisco. We only made a couple hundred bags. You feel me? We partner up with the City East, my other organization, and we be doing 2,000-3,000 every first Saturday of the month. And like I said, I promise you, each and every time we run out. We never have enough. We never have enough. So this is not enough, but we doing what we can.
So I'm glad that you guys are here. You're dedicated, and I just want to thank the team from 100%. I want to thank Uncle Damien and Us for Us, because they do this. This is what they do. And so I want you guys to stick together and be all one. Thanks also to the Zetas, the Sigmas, the Omegas, and the AKAs who are here leading the way and being model folks for you all as well. Talk to them, ask them questions about who they are, what they're about, and what they're in as you're walking down 3rd Street. But as Uncle Damien said, be safe. Some of you are from this community, some of you aren't, but just be safe of your surroundings and have fun as well. Again, we are out here giving back to the community. This won't be our last time. This won't be our last partnership with Us for Us. This is something that we're going to start doing with them as well periodically.
Not doing nothing, come over here and help with these socks. Somebody get somebody on these socks.
You got the language.
I'm glad I played this music for my kids, man. My son.
bumping the whole shit, man.
My beautiful people. You know what it is, you know who it is, your favorite uncle, mentor, Uncle Damien, a people's champ here with my nephew, Stunning Man 02, and the HBCU tour, 100% college prep, all kind of amazing A&I scholar collaborations came together, us for us, giving back to the people. Y'all know what we doing, man. We made 2, 3, 4, 500 bag lunches, 1,000. I don't even know, man. We about to hit the streets. Give it to the people, man. We're gonna be doing a community cleanup right here in 3rd, man. We're trying to silence the violence, create the community with the unity. You see what's going on right here, man. And I appreciate you coming out, and we still winning.
Hey, come on, you can't have the community without a common unity. And our common unity is to serve, because that's our purpose in life. And shout out these amazing people, people that's going to college, people that want to chase their dreams, you feel me, and really help those. Because you know, when you pay it forward, your blessings rain down upon you. Thank you, Uncle Dave, for the invite. And we can't forget, most importantly, us for us is always winning. So, come on, man. Because we still winning!
Come on, Tony, y'all want to say something real quick? You want to say something?
Hey everybody, thank you for coming out here. When I walked in, I hadn't been around in a while, and I came and seen this community center. I was like, this is amazing, right on 3rd and Evans. It's beautiful to see everybody out here. I even talked to somebody that wanted to go to one of my alma maters. I went to Clark Atlanta also. I grew up in San Francisco too, so you can do it also. It is not unattainable. It's something that any one of y'all can do. So I just am overwhelmed and appreciative to see all of these young people out here in the morning doing this instead of being, just laying around doing nothing. So thank you, and I appreciate you. I appreciate that story, and appreciate everything that you're doing, Ms. Diane, and all these groups. So thank you.
As y'all know, messengers. My name is Jose Gato. I grew up in the city, raised in the Mission District. You know what I'm saying? I had a hard life. This man, if it wasn't for him, I would have never made it to Clark University. I didn't attend Clark, but he helped me go to a college tour. You know what I'm saying? This man helped me throughout my whole life. I've been knowing him since 13 years old. Fresh out of jail, and he paid for my whole trip to Atlanta, man. This man right here, I'm telling y'all, nobody beat this man like this man. I just want to say thank you to everybody that came out. Thank you, Uncle Dan.
Who we talking about?
Damn.
So he didn't. So that's how you feel.
Oh yeah, I forgot, y'all. Y'all forgot. So I went to Galileo High School, right? And I had a real hard time going to Galileo, right? And she was one of the biggest helps I ever had. You know what I'm saying? She helped me graduate, Miss Tichelle. She helped me graduate. She helped me with everything. She helped me with my first ever girlfriend. I had a girlfriend, y'all. And I was going through it. And if it wasn't for her, I would have been in jail. You know what I'm saying? I would have been, trying to kill somebody behind this girl. But she talked me out of it. She talked me out of a lot of things, a lot of fights I done got into. This woman right here, y'all, if y'all go to school, y'all see her, ask for help. Go to her. Y'all got a problem? I need to talk to you. Go to her. I promise you, she ain't never gonna let y'all down.
We still winning!